Not bad, not bad. Now you.
These were some of my artworks before and after the improvement. You can bring these improvements to your drawing also just by realizing the power of layering. So today I'm going to explain you that power of layering in drawing. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the video. Taking this picture as reference, and I will try to make a realistic hairs. In the starting, I'm trying to find out all the basic outlines of this reference image. I am using this mechanical HB pencil for setting up the outlines. Try to make sure that your outline should be in proper alignment so that the drawing could look so realistic. I am trying to get all the details as per the reference image so that it may look so accurate. This is how a drawing looks like after having proper details and proper outline. And now I'm gonna use this HB pencil for setting up the base layer. Providing good base layer to any room is very important requirement to provide the realisticness to the drawing. I'm trying to give this base layer as much as can I. Even after getting just base layer, our drawing started looking like a realistic image. This is how a drawing looks like after having a proper base layer. And now I'm gonna use this makeup brush to blend this first graphite base layer. It feels super satisfying on blending any graphite layer on any drawing using any makeup brushes. This is how our drawing looks after blending first layer. Now I'm gonna use this 4B pencil to provide the second layer to the drawing. Usually the second layer works to provide the darker values to the drawing. This is how our drawing looks like after applying second layer. And now I'm gonna use again this makeup brush to blend over these layer. This is how a drawing looks like after blending second layer. Now I will use 10B pencil to provide the third and the darker layer to the drawing. This is the last layer I'm providing to this drawing, so I'm making sure to provide the darker and the detailed layers to the drawing. This is how it looks like after having third layer. Now the same, I'll blend it again. Now is the time to provide the details of the drawing. So I'm using this eraser. Now the last touch-up is required to have the realistic drawing. And now finally we have completed this drawing. In this drawing you can see the details and you can feel the powerful lighting as well. If you liked the tutorial, please like the video and subscribe the channel. We'll meet in the next video soon.